Do you want to build a long-term sustainable business? Are you just looking for quick cash? So I wanted to talk a little bit about connecting personally to the people that join you. I just got off the phone last night with a gentleman that joined me in my primary program. And what happened was when he first joined me, I didn't just treat him as a lead. I didn't just treat him as another number. I made a personal Loom video for him. If you don't know what Loom is, it's Loom, where you can send somebody an email, a personal email, and it's super cool. It'll have like a video preview in the email, and then obviously you can connect a little more personally with that person and show them that you truly care about their success. So I got off the phone with Jason last night. We've talked a handful of times, but that would have never happened had I not reached out to him initially and made him just more than a lead, or made him just more than a business partner. I said, hey, I'm Howie. Nice to meet you. Would love to connect with you further. Let's help each other win, kind of thing. And I actually just did that to Pastor Ron, a gentleman who found me through some of the sources that I'm utilizing to get leads online. And I just finished doing 2 videos for him about like what we're doing and how we can connect further. So again, don't just treat people that join you as just a lead. And if you're doing that, then you're doing it for the wrong reasons. You're doing it just to make money, and then that's where you're going to end up losing your business partners sooner than later to the next shiny object syndrome. However, if you reach out to them, you make it more of a personal one-on-one connection, what's going to happen is you're going to keep them around the campfire, so to speak. You're making it personal. You're making that connection. They're less likely going to join somebody else because you're doing everything you can do to build on that relationship and then show them that you really want to help them succeed, and it's not just about the money. So I hope this helps you. It definitely helped me. A personal video is why I joined my primary program, because a top marketer did that one extra step on Facebook, sent me a personal Loom, said hi to me, and made it personal. So I joined right away, and I started to implement that in my business, and it definitely helps make your business stronger, and it helps convert on a lot higher ratio than just sending people, random emails that, aren't personal at all. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and hope we can connect further soon.